If you're a new mom worried about low milk supply, you're not alone. Many mothers go through this phase and often wonder if their baby is getting enough milk. The good news is that in most cases, breast milk supply can be increased naturally with a few simple and consistent steps. In this video, we'll talk about practical and effective ways to boost your milk supply and support your breastfeeding journey. The first and most important tip is to feed your baby frequently. Breast milk works on a demand and supply system. The more your baby feeds, the more milk your body produces. Try to breastfeed every 2 to 3 hours, even if it feels tiring. Frequent feeding sends a strong signal to your body to make more milk. Make sure your baby has a proper latch. A deep and correct latch helps your baby remove milk effectively, which in turn stimulates more production. If your baby is not latching properly, your body may not get the signal to produce enough milk. If needed, don't hesitate to seek help from a lactation expert. Stay well hydrated throughout the day. Your body needs extra fluids to produce milk, so drink plenty of water. You can also include healthy fluids like coconut water, milk, and soups in your diet. A simple way to remember is to drink a glass of water every time you breastfeed. Eating a balanced and nutritious diet is equally important. Include foods rich in protein, iron, and calcium such as green leafy vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and dairy products. Certain traditional foods like fenugreek, fennel seeds, and oats are also known to support milk production naturally. Rest and relaxation play a big role in milk supply. Stress and lack of sleep can affect your hormones and reduce milk production. Try to rest whenever your baby sleeps and don't hesitate to ask for help from family members so you can recover and stay relaxed. You can also try skin-to-skin contact with your baby. Holding your baby close not only strengthens your bond but also helps release hormones that increase milk production. This simple practice can make a big difference, especially in the early weeks. If your baby is not feeding enough directly, you can consider pumping. Using a breast pump between feedings can help stimulate your breasts and increase supply over time. Even a few extra minutes of pumping can signal your body to produce more milk. Avoid comparing yourself with others. Every mother's body is different, and milk production can vary. Focus on your baby's signs of satisfaction like steady weight gain, regular wet diapers, and a calm, content baby after feeding. Most importantly, be patient and trust your body. Increasing milk supply doesn't happen overnight, but with consistency and care, you will see improvement. Breastfeeding is a journey, and every small step you take is helping your baby grow healthy and strong. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more breastfeeding and baby care tips. You're doing an incredible job, and your effort truly matters.